and welcome back to ADHD is My Superpower. In today's vlog, we have a very special guest, Sam. In today's vlog, we're going to be fake fidget trading. So in here we have all of my fidgets. We're going to show you all of them, and then we're going to put them back in, and then we're going to randomly pull out, and whatever we get, we'll just randomly pick through. And yeah, so first we have this Poppet. It's like a game Poppet. And then we have like this Poppet, this broken Poppet,
This Among Us Poppet.
this
I love this.
Poppet, this humongous Poppet. This is probably gonna take a long time. Don't worry about the background. We're having a little party going on.
Yeah.
Happy Day of the Dead, BTW. I can't say it in Spanish, so I'm not going to because I don't want to humiliate myself. Okay, so
Then we have
that.
this is kind of like I guess.
It's
Well,
like-
I mean it is a Poppet.
It's my favorite Poppet I have, and it's really good.
We
So
have this Poppet, like
It's
a gaming controller.
one of my favorites.
Controller.
Then you
Okay.
have this one, which is actually really nice.
This see-through glittery pink one.
And
There's like we have miniature Poppets.
this is gonna take forever, by the way. So just letting you know, this video might be like 20 minutes long. Yeah. Hopefully this will only take one take.
Okay, sorry.
So I have this mini one. It's a popsicle Poppet. Pops really well. Sam, what do we have next?
Okay, I have this mini circle one. It kind of looks like a flower. It's cool. And then this little heart tie-dye.
Alright, so I'll take those. Now let's show off
Okay, I'm gonna make sure there's no
monkey needles. Next, we have like any kind of monkey noodles. Oh wow. I think we have that.
Okay, yeah.
Oh wait, no, we have this one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. We have a lot of different colors. Like there's some of these,
So
and
we
they
have
have like
textured
bodies on them. Like this one's a unicorn.
They're both unicorns.
It feels so cool. I love these so much.
And then I have a textured monkey noodle.
And
And
then
then we
there's
have, like-
just this regular monkey noodle.
And then we
And
have
the
these mini
minis.
ones. They actually look very cool. They're like neon colored. So, oh, and then we have a pea popper. Yeah, it's like they're squishy thing. I know, I have another one. Where did you go?
This?
No, I have another one
Of
now.
those?
Yeah. We lost
We have no clue where the
we
other
lost a
ones.
fidget. Well, we have two of these.
We don't know where it is though.
We have two of these, but we don't know where it is.
One of the little kids probably took it. But yeah. And then there's these like stress balls. They're not like squishies, they're just stress balls. Oh wait, and yeah.
And you know what? We're not gonna show you the rest because it's
And we
probably.
have this squishy.
And we have these. You know what? We'll just surprise you with the rest. Let's just surprise them with the
Okay.
rest.
Hold on.
Just put them all back in.
And then Infinity Cubes, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. She's not very. I'm the one who
Yeah, I don't
is
know a
addicted
lot
to
about
fidgets.
fidget toys.
I'm the
but
one
yeah.
who's addicted to fidget. You know, comment if you know what? You know what? At the end of this video, I'm going to
Don't memories.
I'm going to give Sam a test and see how many things she can name of fidgets. So yeah. And then I want you guys to comment down below Sam's score of how well she did. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the first pick.
I'm surprised you didn't get like a big pop.
I got my sparkly pink one. Your turn.
Not a good pop.
Well, let's see what she is.
I love this one so much. I can't. It's like hard.
Ooh, we got this one, yay guys! Alrighty, Sam's turn. I'm definitely gonna want to offer for that. So stay tuned.
I got this one. This one's like a game one. I want to get something other than a poppet, but of course, yeah.
So me and Sam can feel what we get. So I'm gonna see if I can get any of those.
Possible.
Yay! It literally was just a random pick.
I know what I want.
Keep the box.
Can't find it.
Don't. Just pull.
Where is it? I want it.
Just pull. Just grab something.
It's fine. This this was the broken one, isn't it?
No, I have another
Oh, okay. Well, I got this blue square. Why do I got so many poppets?
one. I did me too. I promise. It's Claire.
That's my favorite
Claire.
one.
Oh my god. Sam's definitely gonna want to offer for this.
This is my that's my favorite one. Okay. Now I'm gonna get like a small thing.
Alright.
Okay, I got this like yellow neon monkey noodle. One of the minis.
One infinite cube. Give me a stupid infinity cube. Hey, I can't.
I know, don't look.
Say
There's one like right there.
this.
Or not that, not that. No, go back. Wait, I should look on you. Yeah, that's it.
Yes! It's my favorite one! Yeah, there's other people in this house. Alrighty. You know what? We should have like a 5-second pick. Like, you just take it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Mini two.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How am I
The
gonna
broken one.
Give me.
Okay. The massive pop too.
That's broken.
Yeah. Who cares?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
I have one of those.
It's so loud.
Oh my god, what are those? Puzzle balls.
You know, I'm just gonna pass.
Is it that what it's called? A puzzle ball?
Got this? Sweet!
Is it called a puzzle ball?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Guys, I should have told you that. Because I'm gonna give her a quiz at the end. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay.
Oh, it's broken.
Where?
5, 4,
Not
3,
broken.
2.
Okay, I got this.
It's broken.
Where?
I'll show you. So, it's missing those two. And that. It's broken. There you go. Oh, I pulled this. I pulled this, by the way. Don't let her know in the comment section. My turn. 5, 4, 3.
I forgot what it's called, but I got one of these.
1. Don't comment it down below. I got
What is that? What is that?
it. I can't
What'd you
say.
get?
I can't say.
Why?
Oh wait, I need to show you guys. I got this. I can't say because I want her. I'm gonna give her a quiz. You know what, guys? We're gonna finish this up. We're gonna go fast, okay? So as soon as we feel it, just pull it, okay? Go. I got this.
I got this.
I got this.
Ah!
I got this.
I don't want this. Oh, I don't want this either.
I got this. Oh, I just.
I haven't been showing them what I got. I love this. Ah! Yes! I could feel so great. Oh, I got 2 things.
Okay, I'll grab another thing. I'll grab two. Sweet. Go. Oh, dang it, I got to put this together. Go, woman.
Together, what's the next one?
Feel like a danger this morning.
Okay, I got
We got a couple more things.
emoji.
I got 2 things.
No, I got 2 things.
Huh?
No, I got 2 things. Oh, yeah. What is this? Oh. Yeah, yes. Okay, I got another emoji. I think it's a panda. And then I got one of these. I literally love these so much. I can't.
Oh, I got the golden one. One, two,
Bite.
three.
Nice.
I got these things, guys. Sweet. Oh, I got all blue. I just realized.
Okay.
There's still more. You can't.
It's hard not to look. Okay, I got another bike chain. And oops.
I got this.
Emoji. I got
Emoji.
3 emojis. And this is my stuff. Okay, I got this mini Rubik's Cube and oh my god, one of these. Oh, it's like a marble. It's something marble, I don't know.
Oh, we have these.
Is there more?
Yeah.
I got one of these puzzle things. It turns into a heart. How do we get it out?
Go.
Anyways, yeah.
No, we'll go grab. I got this.
Okay, you get the last thing. Got a bouncy ball and a stress ball.
Alright, guys. So that doesn't count. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna do that, and
It's big.
So I do have like a thingy to give Sam. You keep talking to them. I have a thingy.
Okay. So we
You
go.
know what?
Okay,
You don't have
I'm not stuck. Oh wait, I want
You
this.
don't have to worry about it. You know what? It's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go up first, and the thing I'm gonna put up for offer is I know I keep almost calling her Claire. I don't know any Claires.
Put this in the top because I love playing with these. And I have mine. This
I
one's
don't
like
know.
mine, but so
I don't know any Claires.
there you go.
No, I don't. Well, I used to know a Claire, but I don't anymore.
Okay.
The first thing I'm gonna put up for offer is this. Can I show you something that I want? So the thing I'm putting up for is this. So the thing I want is this. The thing I want is this. Will you do it? For the okay, so she's putting up that. Show it to the camera.
I love this thing.
But don't you love this?
Yeah, I like that more.
Will you do the trade?
Yeah.
Sweet! I just got this. Alrighty, your turn. I have to offer for something.
I'll trade these 2 jumbo pop tubes.
I'll give you this.
Ah.
But I don't that.
Okay. I accept.
Okay. I'm trading this. Better be good. I will not accept something from
I
him.
know.
Okay, so I'm putting up this. Wait, let's show them our last trade. So she was putting up this, and I traded her these 2. So I traded her these 2, and I got this.
I'm eating pomegranate seeds if you guys get them.
I'm trading up this. What will you offer for this? It spins super well. After this, I'm gonna look at slime. Can you add? This is really good, and I'm gonna change that. I hate that bowl.
Same.
I don't want that. Just like add something different.
What did it go? A mini mochi.
It's broken.
You don't see that. That's not there.
Let me see it then.
It's not there.
Alrighty. What are you gonna offer? Oh my god, this video already has 15 minutes.
Decline.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna change it. What will you offer for this?
A tangle track? I don't know what this is called. One of these. Yeah. Like, We
about
traded
this.
an infinity cube for a tractangle, whatever this is called, and a bike chain.
Alright. So I think we definitely are gonna trade all of our stuff because like this video would be like 15 minutes. Like this video would be like 35 minutes long. So I think we're gonna do like
A few more.
a few more, maybe like 10 more trades. Not each, 5 each. Alright, so what are you gonna put up?
For that?
No, I'm just playing with this.
I'm not giving this up. I don't want this. These
I'll give you this.
finger rings. Is that what it's called?
Don't
Finger rings.
tell her.
Okay. Add.
Alrighty, so you know what? I think we're gonna do so this and then 5 more trades. So she's gonna get 2, I'm gonna get 3. I'll add a spike ball. Sweet. We got
Where
these.
your brothers play? Are you going?
Huh?
Where your brothers play?
Yeah.
Greece.
Are
I'm
you-
going to.
Cool. Alrighty, so the thing I'm gonna put up. Alright, so that was just one of our trades. So we have 4 more trades. I have 2 more. She has 1.
2. I have 2. You have 2.
I have
Four more
3.
trades. No. Oh wait.
Yeah, because I said after
Okay.
that trade that we would have 5 left. Alrighty, so the things I'm putting up are. I'm gonna put up this. Guys,
Oh.
comment down below if you know what this is.
My brother has like a bigger one of that, but I don't know what it's called. A
Oof.
twisty track.
Guys, send help.
Oh, it's great. This is spin. Oh, I thought it's fun. It's supposed to.
It's supposed to, but it broke. Are you gonna put it back?
Yeah.
Except.
Uh-uh.
Except.
Nah.
Except.
I want it.
But I said except.
I literally love Simple Dimple so much. I can't. Okay.
You know what?
I'll
We're
trade.
probably gonna have to wrap this up like in like 2 trades. So 1 trade for each. So this will be my trade. You're not there. Alrighty, she has 1 more trade left. Because we're wrapping this up. And then and then I'm gonna give these to her.
Okay. I'm gonna trade the big pop.
The big wait.
Add.
This lanky.
Decline. Or not decline. Take the snippy out and add.
This. And this.
Take those out. I don't want the Rubik's Cube.
I'm not adding the Rubik's.
Okay, good.
And I'll give you this.
One more thing. Except. Okay, I traded her my Jumbo Poppet for this mini pop tube. This is so cute though.
Is that the
Yes.
name though?
Mini pop tube.
You sure?
That's what I call it.
Alright. So now that the trading's done, I'm gonna go ahead and quiz her. Alright, what is this called?
Metal rings.
No, these.
Wacky tracks.
You sure?
Yep. Yeah.
I thought they were tangle traps.
No, wacky tracks. Someone told me these are wacky tracks, right? Ow! It pinched me.
We'll never know until I tell them. What are the? What are these? What are these? Just say a name for it. So she's okay. What do you think the name is? Just say a name.
Twisty tracks.
What are these?
Finger rings. I don't remember.
What are these?
Like that stress ball.
Stress ball?
Yeah. Slime ball.
What are these? What are these?
Oh, I have no clue what those are.
Say the name for them.
Twisty fingers.
Twisted. What are these?
I forgot what those were.
Give them a name. Guys, comment down below if you know the names of these.
I can't.
Give it a name. Name it.
Marble mesh.
Yeah, 100% sure.
Yeah. Were people laughing in there though? I don't care if I'm wrong.
You 100% sure it's Marble Mesh?
Yeah.
You don't want to change the name?
No.
I'm giving you a warning.
I don't care. That's what I'm naming it.
Alrighty. What is it? What is this?
Puzzle ball. Oh, my finger hurts now.
What is
Monkey noodles. Like the texture of them.
What is this?
A simple dimple. What are they called? Simple dimple.
Alright, so now,
Fidget spinner.
so this name is a triple dimple fidget spinner.
I got
This,
that.
that's incorrect.
I said a simple dimple for this one.
It's a
Same
triple
thing.
dimple. It's a triple. No, no. So that's the incorrect call. What'd you call this?
Wacky track.
She got that correct. What'd you name this?
Rectangle track.
It's called a snake.
That's it.
Yeah.
I said infinity cube.
Metal rings.
That's what I did.
They're magnet rings.
Same thing.
No, it isn't. Puzzle ball, you got correct.
Eat marble mix.
Correct. What is this?
Texture tangle.
What are these? Give a name. BTW, sorry about the people coming in.
Fingerlings. No, those aren't fingerlings.
Textured monkey. I mean,
Monkey noodles.
no.
Textured monkey.
They're, pressure rings. No, that's the what is this?
I call it like this, the slime.
The slime
The
ball.
slime stress ball thing.
This is incorrect. This is called a mesh ball. Mesh ball.
I thought.
Alrighty, guys. So
This was a.
they're the same thing.
Oh wait,
Just
they
without
are.
the-
This one just doesn't have that.
Alrighty, so we're gonna let you guys go. Sorry.
One thing is that they don't stick to the ball. Never mind. I thought you were gonna throw it at me.
Alrighty, guys. So
Oh, I
we're
love
gonna
this
go.
one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on this post notification bell. So, Sam, why do they have to hit the like button, turn on the subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell?
So you won't miss any of our videos or her videos.
Yeah. And remember, guys, you rock, and I love you. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you comment down below if you celebrate. What is
I have no
Day of the Dead?
Yeah.
Bye.
And how was your holiday?
Yeah.